Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download Amazon Alexa app to connect smart thermostats. Complete guide step by step clearly. To download the Amazon Alexa app, start by unlocking your smartphone. Open your device's App Store. If you're using an iPhone, go to the App Store. If you're using an Android phone, head over to the Google Play Store. In the search bar, type Amazon Alexa. Press the search button to see the results. Locate the Amazon Alexa app from the list. Ensure the app is developed by Amazon Mobile LLC. Tap on the app to open its details page. Review the app details and the rating for assurance. To download, tap the Get button if you're on iPhone. If you're on an Android device, tap Install. Wait for the app to download and install on your device. Once the installation is complete, you'll see an Open button. Tap Open to launch the Amazon Alexa app. If necessary, log in with your Amazon account credentials. If you don't have an account, follow the prompts to create one. After logging in, you'll be taken to the main screen of the app. Now, connect your smart thermostat to the app. Look for the Devices tab at the bottom of the main screen. Tap on Devices to access your connected devices. Select that Add Device option located at the top right corner. From the list of device types, choose Thermostat. Follow the instructions to choose your specific thermostat brand. Make sure your thermostat is powered on and in pairing mode. The app will search for nearby devices. When your thermostat appears, select it to start the pairing process. Follow any additional prompts to complete the connection. Once connected, you'll be able to control your thermostat through the app. To customize settings, explore the options within the app. You are now ready to use Alexa to control your smart thermostat. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.